Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tempest and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I will be doing this winter makeup look for you guys using the Norvina makeup palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So before we get into it, I'm going to need you to go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification because y'all not going to play me. We becoming a family, we building. So yeah, let's go ahead and roll the clip and get into this look. First, I took the Makeup Forever mattifying primer. I got the sample from Sephora because that thing $37 and I don't have time for that. But I'm just patting that into my skin because I am oily. And then I'm taking the NYX Total Control foundation, and a little goes a long way, so just be careful because as you can see, like I put too much on my forehead. But we're going to blend that out. We're going to work with it. I'm taking this kabuki brush I ordered off of eBay years ago and blending out my foundation. I love it to blend out because it kind of gives like that airbrush look. So we're just going to blend everything. And you can do 2 applications, but 1 is enough for me. Now I'm taking that Maybelline Age Rewind in the color Caramel Caramel and applying that under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my nose, and also my chin and forehead. We're going to blend that out with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. You want to make sure it's clean and also damp because that'll give you a better application. And just take your time while you're blending this out. You want everything to come together and not look rushed. And I'm just going to go back in with that foundation brush with the excess foundation left on it and just clean up where the edges of that concealer so everything can be seamless and fully blended. I'm going to take another Age Rewind in the color Medium Moyen, and next taking that Sacha butterCup and setting my face. And I'm just setting where I place that concealer. And I'm using an e.l.f. brush to do that, e.l.f. blush brush. These brushes are also mentioned in my previous videos. I am taking NYX Stay Matte Not Flat foundation, and I'm taking that on a mixed dual fiber brush and just contouring and putting color back into my face, more dimension. Running that across my forehead. You can also squeeze your cheeks to get you a more defined line. Next, I will be taking that MAC blush in Raisin and just adding that to the high points of my cheeks. I like to do mine like Rihanna's makeup artist. Next, I am taking that Tartiest Face and Body Baked Bronzer and just taking a fan brush and applying that to the high points of my cheeks. And I took my MAC Studio Fix Finish powder, pressed powder, and contouring my nose. You want to blend that out with your finger to avoid a very harsh contour. And next, the star of the show, the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I love it. So first we're going to be taking Incense and also Eccentric into the crease. And I'm blending that out with a BH Cosmetics Fluffy Blending Brush. Try saying that like 5 times fast. And that's the Eccentric that I'm showing you guys. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's very versatile. We can do so many looks with this. And just take your time with it. Next, we are going to be taking the color Soul. And I took that on a flat fluffy NYX blending brush. And I turned it sideways so that it can get into the crease, but it also blends it out very well. It's very easy to blend with that brush, and I took a clean fluffy blending brush. I believe it's from Morphe, and just cleaned that up. Next, I am taking Passion and adding that directly into the crease, and then taking another that same clean blending brush. Next, I am taking the Age Rewind in the color medium Moyen, and just cutting my crease. And make sure you take your time. I sped this up because this video originally was like really long, so I just wanted you guys to be able to get the gist of how I got this look. Next, we are going to be taking Dazzling and taking a flat brush, any flat brush you have, and just applying that to the inner corner of our eyelid. It is a very pretty color. And then we're going to take Celestial and place that directly behind Dazzling. And blend the two colors together just by shading. And we're going to go back with Passion and take that directly under our lower lash line. And then just for a little bit of shimmer on the inner tear ducts, I took the color Summer and applied that with that same flat brush I applied the two other shimmer shadows. And then I'm going to be taking my Roller Lash mascara and applying my mascara. Yes ma'am, pump it up. And then I applied my lashes off camera. I used the Tartiest Heartbreaker style, and this is the MAC Chestnut, per usual, my favorite, just to line my lips. I took Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys what it looks like, but it's the first one she came out with. Then I took that same Tartiest from Beverly and did my under eyebrow bone thing. Go ahead and set your face with whatever setting spray you got. Let's go ahead and get this hair together. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I am trying to upload as much as possible. I've recorded like 50 videos this week and hated all of them, but I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. Yes, honey, slay, slay. So make sure you guys have a happy holidays. Another video will be uploaded. Make sure you check out my previous uploads. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Happy holidays. Aw, hearts, kisses. Bye. Peace.